Now that you know how to texture map, let's look at some of the other 2D patterns that you can map. Here I have a plane object that I'll assign a standard material to. To better visualize this, I'll turn on active shade. I'll map the diffuse color component here with a 2D map. You've already seen bitmap and checker. Let's take a look at gradient. This is a simple concept where we create a gradient of color and we can tile that however many times we want. Now in this case, I think I won't use real world scale. I'll set the tiling at 1 in U and V so that we see the effect of this just once on the surface of this plane. I also need to uncheck real world map size on the primitive and reinitialize active shade. Now we can see this nice gradation appear on the surface. The gradient parameters are here, and you can choose the colors that you want to interpolate between here. Let's say that we want to change this from black to a deep red, and we'll make color 2 a little bit of a medium red, and I'll make color 3 a pink color. So there we have it. Very easy to use. You can change color 2 position and thereby affect the way that the color is blending by moving this number from 0 to 1. Let's say that it's 0.75. That's going to move it down here so that we have a more rapid transition between the colors. We're using a linear gradient here. A radial gradient is also possible. Let's change the color 2 position here to 0.25. We can affect how that's transitioning. There's noise built into this if you want to use some variation in the gradient. Perhaps I'll increase the amount and we'll see a lot of noise. The maximum is 1. I'll turn that down to 0.5 and make it fractal and change the size. Maybe I'll make it a little smaller here. So there's really a wide variety of phenomena that you can simulate here just by using the gradient map. Now most of the maps have an extra noise rollout that you can use. And this is an additional pass of noise that can be assigned. I'll turn that on and we see it change a little bit. This can optionally be animated in time so that the pattern will slightly shift over the course of an animation. Of course, this is only possible in Max, as you cannot animate materials in Viz.